Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in today's video, we will learn how to find factors of a cube plus b cube in the chapter factorization of algebraic expression. So, here we have already studied the expansion formula. We know that a plus b bracket cube is equal to expansion formula a cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 a b square plus b cube. Okay, from this formula we will derive the factors of a cube plus b cube. So we require now here to see right hand side a cube plus b cube. So these two terms will take together. Therefore, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus b cube together, and take these two terms together. 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now we see here in these two terms 3ab, a and b. Here also 1a and 1b can take common. So take common 3ab. So a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab common. In the bracket 3ab will come common. Here 1a will come. 1a will remain inside. B is outside, then 3 is outside, A is outside. Out of 2B, 1 is outside the bracket and 1 will remain inside the bracket. Now, I am changing the sides of this equality. The value doesn't change. I am taking right hand side to the left hand side and left hand side on the right hand side. So, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into bracket A plus B is equal to a plus b bracket cube. Just taking the sides of equality. Now our requirement is a cube plus b cube. We have to find factors of a cube plus b cube. So therefore a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube. Just take this plus 3ab into a plus b on right hand side. So the plus sign will change, it will become minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Now, therefore, a cube plus b cube is equal to, now here a plus b and here one bracket. So from here one bracket you can take outside. Here there are 3a plus b bracket cube. Here there is 1. So 1 a plus b will take outside. In the bracket there will be a plus b bracket square minus 3ab will remain inside the bracket. Now expansion of identity a plus b bracket square, we know a plus b bracket square. So expand it. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. In the second bracket a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. Therefore, a cube plus b cube is equal to, in first bracket a plus b, and in the second bracket this plus ab plus 2ab minus 3ab plus 2 minus 3 minus 1. So first a square minus 1ab plus b square. So these are the factors of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in the bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Using this formula, we are going to solve practice set 6.2. Set 6.2 using formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in the another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So using this formula we are going to solve the examples. So here a is equal to x and b is equal to, you have to simplify it. So x cube, first we write in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 64 is the cube of 4y bracket cube. Should know the cubes of the number from 1 to 10 at least. So that we can write the terms in the form of a cube plus b cube. Now here a is equivalent to x and b is equal to 4y. So first bracket, first is our a plus b. So replace here x plus 4y. In the second bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. Same formula you have to apply here. So a square means x square minus x into 4y plus 4y bracket square, that is b square, which is equal to x plus 4y in first bracket, in second bracket x square minus 4xy plus 4 square is 16y square. These are the factors of x cube plus 64y. Now the second example, 125p cube minus q cube. So first we write in the form of a cube plus b cube. So 125 is the cube of 5 p bracket cube plus q cube. Here a is equivalent to 5p and b is equivalent to q. So first bracket a plus b, that is 5p plus q. Now second bracket you have to derive from this first bracket. Second bracket terms are like a square minus ab plus b square. So here first a square is 5p square minus a into b, 5p into q plus q square. B square is equal to 5p plus q first bracket and 55 5p square, that is 25 p square minus 5p cube plus q square. Third example, 125k cube plus 27m cube. So first step, write the numbers in the standard form. So 125, cube of 125 in the form of a cube plus b cube. So 5k cube. When 125 is the cube of 5 and 27 is the cube of 3m cube. Therefore, now this is a equal to 5k and b is equal to 3m. So first bracket 5k plus 3m, first bracket, and second bracket from the first bracket. So 5k square minus a square minus ab plus b square, second bracket. So minus 5k into 3m plus 3m bracket square, that is b square. So now the first bracket is 5k plus 3m and in the second bracket 5k square, that is 25k square minus 5 is 15 km plus b square is 9m square. Fourth example. Now in the fourth example, this 2 is not a cube of any number and 432 is also not a cube of any number. So here 2 we can take common from both the terms. So first take 2 common and in the bracket there will be n cube plus, divide this by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12 n cube. Now here L cube is L, A is equal to L, and here 1 2 1 6 is cube of 6. So write in the standard form like L cube plus is the cube of 6 and bracket cube. Now you have to apply the formula fact a cube plus b cube for this term l cube plus 6m cube. So a is equal to l and b is equal to 6m. So 2 into first bracket l plus 6m a plus b. From this bracket we get the second bracket. So first is l square minus a into b, that is l into 6m plus 6m bracket square. Close the bracket. Now 2 times for the first bracket l plus 6m, in the second bracket l square minus 6 lm plus 6m square is 36m square. Close the bracket. So the answer is 2 times l plus 6m, second bracket l square minus 6 lm plus 36m square. 24a cube plus 81b cube. 24 and 81. These are not a perfect cube. So it should take a common term from both the numbers. So common multiple for both the numbers is 3. 8 3s are and 27 3s are. So 3 we can take common. 3 outside the bracket. In the bracket will remain a cube. 8a cube. 8 3s are 24 plus 27 b cube. 27 into 3 is 81 b cube. Now here these two terms can write in the form a cube plus b cube. 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. So 3 into 2a cube plus 3b cube. Now we have written in the standard form a cube plus b cube. In the place of a there is 2a, and the place of b there is 3b. So we will apply the identity a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. In another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So first, in the first bracket 2a plus 3b. From this first bracket we get the second bracket. So first term is a square, that is 2a square minus 2a into 3b minus 2a into 3b plus 3b bracket square, which is equal to 3 into, in the first bracket 2a plus 3b and second bracket 2a square, that is 4a square minus 2 is the 6ab, 2 is the 6ab plus 9b bracket square. So the last step, answer is 3 into 2a plus 3b and 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. Example, y cube plus 1 upon 8 y cube. Now this 1 upon 8 y cube we write in the standard form. So which is equal to y cube plus 1 upon 2y cube of 8 is 2y bracket cube. Now here a is equal to y and b is equal to 1 upon 2y. So we apply the same formula. First bracket a plus b, that is y plus 1 upon 2y in first bracket. Second bracket from this bracket. So first is y square, a square, then minus sign y into a into b, that is 1 upon 2y plus 1 upon 2y bracket 1 upon 2y bracket square, which is equal to first bracket y plus 1 upon 2y. In the second bracket, simplify this y and y. From numerator and denominator it will get cancelled. First term y square minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2y square is 4y square. Now, seventh example, a cube plus 8 upon a cube. So, first we'll write in the standard form a cube plus 8 upon a cube. 8 is the cube of 2 cube is 8, 2 upon a bracket cube. Now, here a is a and b equal to 2 upon a bracket cube. So, we'll apply the identity a cube plus b cube. First bracket a plus b, that is a plus 2 upon a. Now, second bracket from this bracket, that is a square minus a into 2 upon a plus 2 upon a bracket square. Therefore, a plus 2 upon a in first bracket, second bracket a square. Here a will get cancelled from numerator and denominator, minus 2 plus 2 upon a bracket square. 2 square is 4 and a square upon a square. Next, last example, 1 plus q cube upon 125. So now first 1 is the cube of 1. So 1 cube is 1. So a is equal to 1. And here second b cube. 125 is the cube of 5 bracket cube. So here a equal to 1 and b is equal to q upon 5. So we will apply this formula a cube plus b cube. So first bracket a plus b, that is 1 plus q upon 5. Second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So first a means 1 square minus a into b, 1 into q upon 5 plus q upon 5 bracket square is equal to first bracket 1 plus q upon 5 and second bracket 1 square is 1 minus q upon 5, 1 into q is q upon 5 plus q square upon 5 square is 21.